in this video we are going to see how can you quickly add multiple rows in one go in a table in Microsoft Excel. So we already know how you can add a single row. You just need to click on the row, select any row, right click and click on insert. So this would insert one row into your table. But if you don't want to insert just a single row, you want to insert say 10-20 rows, then how do you do that? So first of all, you have to select the position where you want to insert the rows. Then while pressing down the left button of the mouse, you need to just drag down and select the multiple rows. Now how many rows you wish to select depends that how many rows you wish to insert. Right now I have selected 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 rows. That means 10 new rows would be inserted, right? So once you have selected them, right click and again click on insert. So you can see 10 new rows have been inserted over here. So that's how you can quickly insert new rows into Excel table. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.